Hi guys, this is Chatter here, and we are gonna build a tower, but not like a tower made of blocks, but cards, but with books. So do you guys thinking why I made a tower made of books? I'll answer your questions on your own chat. On your chat, okay? And don't forget, comment down below why I am built the tower made of this books over there. Here. Now, do you know? Okay, let's get started. Let's get start building.